How to do half swipe on Instagram. Hello everyone, welcome to another tutorial. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how you can easily half swipe on Instagram to view messages and stories in secret. But before getting started, I want you to head down below to give this video a like and subscribe to the channel. So if you want to view someone's story without them knowing, you will have to do something called half swipe. So in this case, if I just head over to my story section, and let's say if I want to view story from this first profile, I'm just going to tap on the second profile right here. And what you're going to do now is just swipe like this without having to swipe all the way. So if you do this, you are still able to view the story and they won't know that you have seen their story. And if you want to see messages and half swipe the messages, first thing you need to do is swipe right on your screen. And then from here, you just tap on the message and scroll up really quickly. So just view like this and scroll all the way up. And doing this will not let them know that you've viewed their message. So if I go back, as you can see, the message has still not been read. So if you just tap on it and swipe up really quick, it won't re- it won't register that you have viewed the message. What you can also do is turn off the red receipts on your account. So in order to do that, go ahead and tap on their profile like this, go up like this, and now you're just going to tap on their profile icon and head over to chat settings. Now tap on privacy and safety and just toggle this one off, red receipts. So you won't be able to see what they have read or they won't be able to see you as well. Now you can just easily view the message like this. And that's pretty much it for this video. I hope you found it helpful. I'll catch you on the next one.